Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the old rod holder with the new one. As you can see here, this area is broken. It's supposed to hold the metal rod, and already purchased a new one. This is the new rod holder. This is the part number. I purchased at Honda dealer. I provide the information on the description. As you can see also here, the grommet here is also broken. I also already purchased the new one. This is the new grommet. This is the part number. I provide information both of these on the description below. I'm going to show you how to remove the old rod holder. As you can see here, there is a clip here. So how to remove it is using the screwdriver. Press this clip and then slide it out like that. And then with the new one, I'm gonna install the new one. Just slide it in, just like that. Now I'm going to show you how to install the grommet. Because I have to remove the metal bar from the frame of the car, so for temporary I use this broomstick to hold the hood. So I have to remove this metal rod. As you can see, this is the old grommet, and I have to slide it out to remove it. To make it easy to remove it, I use the plier. This is the close-up of the broken one. This is the new grommet. So I'm gonna install it right here. Just popped it in like that. To make it easy to install this metal bar to the frame of the car, I can lubricate using the WD-40. Like that. As you can see here, the grommet is already installed, and the metal bar is already installed, and I can rotate it. As you can see, the metal bar can hold the hood like that, and the metal bar so can go to the root holder. So that is how to replace the old root holder and the grommet. Thank you.